Arrive in style with this Ram 2018 ProMaster 1500 low roof. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, media hub, USB, media input hub, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.